Hey everybody, Mike here at Wilton Auto and Tire Center. Today we're going to talk about spark plugs, which is, in my personal opinion, is probably one of the most neglected maintenance items that there is today in your car or truck. Okay, so what does a spark plug do? It takes spark from the ignition coil, lights it at the right time to ignite the air and fuel mixture. That's basically what makes the car run. You can't run without spark, you can't run without fuel, and you got to ignite that to make the piston go down or produce power, yada yada. That's a whole nother story. How a spark plug works is, obviously, like I said, the spark comes out of the coil, goes through the body of the spark plug, out of the center electrode, and jumps to the grounding electrode. Every time that spark happens, a little teeny tiny piece of metal actually comes off of one electrode and goes to the other. We found over the years, best recommendation for doing spark plugs as a generic, like one size fits all, sort of, not always, right around 75,000. What we're finding is if you wait till 90, 100, 110, all of a sudden the check engine light goes on and it's flashing and the car's running rough. That's because your plug and or your coil has failed, right? So the capital P in preventative maintenance is changing parts and components and fluids before they're broken, right? That's preventative. You want to prevent something from happening. What we've also found over the years is when you wait that long to change a spark plug, you tend to ruin the coil, because as that gap widens, and I'm going to show you a little close up here in a minute, when that gap widens, that coil now has to send out extra voltage. When it has extra voltage, it ups the current flow, it gets hot. The heat, the current flow, it tends to ruin a coil. So the best preventative to not, one, have a check engine light or a misfire in your car ever, and two, to prevent having to replace expensive ignition coils, right, is change your spark plugs, okay? So I want to show here, if Tiffany can come up closer, right? We've got, these three are out of one car and this is out of another. We'll talk about that one. Here's just a regular old worn out, if you can see down in the middle, the center of the electrode, that's where the spark comes from, and then it goes to the grounding electrode. Here's a brand new one, same exact spark plug. You can see how much wider the distance, what we call the spark gap, is between here and here on a new plug. So just imagine that. Here's a really, really bad worn out one. It actually was in this car and it had a misfire and it killed the coil too. But look at how neglected that was, man. It burned a hole right in the ground electrode, okay? So I don't know if you can see that hole that's in there, right? That should never ever happen, okay? Never. This was grossly neglected, this car. Now, if we look over here, see all the kind of brown kind of stuff, all kind of coated around there? That's typically oil. When your car uses oil, like, you know, you don't have a leak, it's using oil, you check it, or your low oil light comes on, it's going somewhere. It's being burned internally, either bad rings or bad valves or something like that, and it starts coating the spark plug. It also will coat the catalytic converter and that other stuff too. So got to make sure your car is not burning oil, but you got to also remember to replace your spark plugs before there's a problem. Okay? So Wilton Auto and Tire Center, and get those spark plugs changed.